Bonjour YouTube, welcome back to our channel. Today is the day! It's finally here. I'm super excited today because the package is finally here and it is of the Silmarillion illustrated edition by the author. So, on y va. Let's have a look. So this is the first ever publication of the Silmarillion with the full illustrations by J.R.R. Tolkien himself. So far, up until now, it's been published with the illustrations done by Ted Smith and others, but not Tolkien himself, not in a full collection as it is here. So this edition is very similar to the Lord of the Rings edition. It's a bit heavier. To the Lord of the Rings edition that came out last year. As you can see, the design is quite similar, not in terms of color, but the position of the elements, the text, and you've got the text at the top, the runes, and here as well. I think it matches really well, although I keep my Lord of the Rings in a special box. I don't keep it out like that. However, one thing I don't like about both editions is that the dust jackets have this thing. I don't need to know these things. Like, I don't need the opinion of Financial Times, Washington Post, or Toronto Globe and Mail, you know, like, no shade to them, but it's just unnecessary. Like, we all know that these books are amazing and we really don't care about what some, you know, journalists think in those publications. Same thing here, like, you've got Sunday Times, who cares? Let's start by opening this book. I absolutely love it. Oh, the smell is amazing as well. Wow. So the book is beautiful. Look at that. The dust jacket is matte. You've got the silver elements in it. And then you've got the Silmarils, I think. And this is the main element, which is not matte. I think it has some sort of varnish in it, so it kind of shines, you see. It's absolutely gorgeous. You've got Tolkien's signature, more of the writing, and then on the spine you've got a similar sort of effect. You've got the logo, the element, and Tolkien's signature, as well as the HarperCollins logo. At the back you've got the unnecessary opinions from the press, who no one cares about, but whatever. They decided to put it, I guess it's fine. I think it's very unnecessary. But anyway, on the pages themselves, look at this beautiful thing. It's just gorgeous. These editions, they don't have the maps attached to the book itself. They are separate. I think it's a good idea because that way you can actually frame them if you want. You can frame this map. This is the Balerion. Yeah, it's a Balerion map. Yeah, beautiful. So you can frame the maps if you like. Let's see what's underneath. Wow. Okay, so the book itself is stunning. Look at that. You've got this beautiful foil, green and silver. It's similar treatment that the Lord of the Rings had last year. There is nothing at the back. Nice and clean, gorgeous. I do not know how I feel about this green, to be honest. It's a bit crazy. It's a bit out there. But I think it's growing on me. It's growing on me and it looks beautiful. The book itself, I think the pages are very high quality. They're thick. They feel like they can stand the test of time. This book actually feels like, yeah, I can read it. I can carry it around with me if I want to. These gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous design elements designed by Tolkien himself. You've got the illustrations. This is Mithrim. You've got Mordor with Mount Doom right there. Barad-dûr. Let's have a look at the other map. Should be Balerion as well, I guess. Yeah. Look at that. I love how these maps are printed in color and they're so beautiful. You can actually frame them. The quality is so high. The paper is thick. The book feels good. And this is a standard edition. The deluxe one comes in like a jacket as well. It's not a dust jacket, but it's more of like a box. But for me, this is more than enough. This is gorgeous. Halls of Manwë. It's so beautiful. I think this is the illustration that they mainly used for previous publications, like for the cover and stuff. So I highly recommend this book for people who have been waiting for Silmarillion to come out in this edition with the illustrations by Tolkien. I think it was worth the wait. I think it's a beautiful addition to any Tolkien collection, and any person who loves Tolkien's works, I absolutely recommend it, and I think it's stunning, it's gorgeous. I think it's a beautiful addition to my collection. So thank you so much for joining. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe. Let me know if you like my beard. I'm just growing this all out because November, that's what I'm doing, you know. Or probably being lazy. But thank you so much for joining us. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel, comment, like, share, and let us know what you think. Until the next one, au revoir.